Good morning, students. As you know that we have already completed our chapter 1. So today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 2, which is whole number. As we have already learned about natural numbers in our first chapter and about whole number also. So let us revise it once again. So the natural numbers from 1 to 10. Whole numbers are the set of natural numbers including with 0. We know that natural number means the number which start from 0 or the number to which the natural number means the number which start from 1. And we can say that the natural numbers are the numbers to which we can count. Then whole numbers. If we include 0 with natural number, then we can say that from 0 to 1, 2, 3 till infinity all are whole number. So 0 is the smallest whole number and whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and etc. All natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural number. You know that natural numbers start from 1. So 1, 2, 3 all numbers are whole number also, but all whole numbers start from 0 are not natural number. It means 0 is not a natural number. So we can say that all whole numbers are not natural number. So whole numbers, natural numbers along with 0 form the collection of whole numbers, or we can write in the form of a set, or we can denote whole numbers by W. So W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it will goes on. And these are called whole number. Now next topic, representation of a whole number on a number line. Now we'll see how to represent whole numbers on a number line. So a number line is a straight line on which we represent number, or we can say that numbers on a line is called the representation of whole numbers on a number line. So you can see that this is a line on which we represent numbers and we have to represent whole number. So we start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have taken here till 7 number. Now we'll see how to look at the above number line, and we will observe that no whole number is on the left of 0 and every whole number on the right of 0 is greater than 0. You can see that this one is the left side and this side is right side. So you can see that there is no any number on left of 0, but on the right side of 0 whole numbers are there which is greater than 0. And you can see on a number line, a number is on the left is always less than a number on the right. For example, here you see 1 and 3. You can see 1 is on the left side and 3 on the right side. So you can see that the right number is always greater than on the number which is on the left side. Similarly, a number on the right is always greater than a number on the left. You can see the opposite of this line is given, that the number which is on the right side is always greater than the number which is on the left side. Then describing number line. How to describe a number line, or which are the basic operations which we can use using the number line. So we are already familiar with 4 basic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and these operations on 2 whole numbers are as under. Now we have to use this number line for whole number. So let us see first one, addition on a number line. How to add 2 numbers using the number line. For example, addition of 1 and 5. We know that directly also we can add 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. But here we have to add these 2 whole numbers 1 and 5 using the number line. So first locate 1 on the number line, then move 5 places to the right will give 6. So first we will represent the numbers on the number line. The whole numbers which start from 0. So we will start to represent from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can take till any numbers how much you need. Then here we have taken till 12. So we have to add 1 and 5. So first we will take from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Then after this, how many number we have to add? 5. It means we have to plus 5 number to 1. So we have to move right side how many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. So you can see that how many times we have to move? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 6. So we can say that 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. If we want to add a number, so we always start from 0. So first we will start from 0 to 1. After this we will move how many times? 5 times, because we have to add 5 number to 1. So add, if you want to add, you have to move which side? Right side. And if you want to minus, then we'll move to left side. So let us see how to use subtraction on a number line. For example, subtraction of 3 from 7. It means we have to subtract 3 from 7. So 7 minus 3 we have to find. And we know that 7 minus 3 is 4. So first locate 7 on the number line, then move 3 places to the left will give 4. So we know that how to represent whole numbers. First we will represent the numbers on the number line from 0 to, we have taken till 12. And one more thing you have to see here, that there should be equal distance between each whole number in the number line. 0 to 1, 1 to 2. We have taken equal distance here. So first we have to subtract from 3 from 7. So first we will go from 0 to 7. First we'll start from 0 to 7. Then we have to minus how many numbers? 3 number. It means we have to move left how many times? 3 times. So from 7 we'll move 3 times. 7 to 6, 1, then 2, 3. So you can see that we got the answer 4. If we subtract it directly, then also we get the answer 4. So this is the way to find subtraction on a number line. If you want to minus, then we'll move to left side, and if you want to add, we'll move to right side. Now I'll see the third one, multiplication on a number line. For example, product of 3 and 4. Product means multiplication. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So start from 0 and skip 3 places to the right 4 times. Here you can see that we have to multiply 3 how many times? 4 times. So we know that we always start from 0. So 0 to 3, we have to take the difference of 3 numbers, and how many times? 4 times, because it is given that 3 into 4. So 0 to 3 1 time, then again we'll take the difference of 3 number, 2, then 3 and 4. So you can see that we get the answer 12. So first you have to see the first number, which is given 3. It means first you have to start 0 to 3, and it is given 4. It means how many times? 4 times. So you have to take the difference of 3 how many times? 4 times. Then you'll get the answer 12. Now we'll see the last one operation, which is division on a number line. How to divide? For example, 6 divided by 3. If we divide, we'll get which answer? 2. So start from 6. So we always see the first number. First number is given 6. So we will move from 0 to 6 and subtract 3 for a number of times till 0 is reached. Then the number of times 3 is subtracted gives the question. What we have to do here? We have to start from 6, and then we have to subtract 3 number, because we have to divide 6 by 3. So how many times we have to divide till we get the answer 0? So you have to divide 3 numbers. So 6 minus 6, if you minus it means you have to move left how many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So you got the answer 3. Then again you have to minus 3 number. So 1, 2, 3. So how many times we have subtracted 3? 2 times. So answer is 2. So the number of times 3 is subtracted to get 0 will get the question or the final answer. Now we have learned about 4 operations on a number line. Now let us see our exercise. We are going to start now our exercise 2.1. So question number 1, write smallest whole number. We know that whole number start from 0. So 0 is the smallest whole number. Second question, write smallest natural number. Smallest natural number. We know that the natural number or the counting number start from 1. So 1 is the smallest whole number. Successor of 0 in whole number. Successor. Do you know what is successor? Successor means the number which comes after the given number, or it means we have to add plus 1. We know that after and before. After means plus 1 and before means minus 1. So successor of 0 in whole number. Successor of 0 which is equal to 0 plus 1 and 1. So we know that after 0 which number comes? 1. So 1 is the successor of 0. So don't forget, successor means plus 1 and predecessor means the number which comes before the given number. Fourth question, predecessor of 0 in whole number. Predecessor of 0, it means minus 1. So we know that 0 minus 1 is minus 1 and minus 1 is a integer. But here we are studying here about whole number, and whole number means the number which start from 0, and whole numbers are positive number. So we can say that it is not defined, that there is no any predecessor of 0 in whole number. Then question number 5, successor of 1001. We know that successor means plus 1 or the number which comes after 1001. So directly what we have to do? We have to add only plus 1. So 1001 plus 1 which is equal to 1002, which is the successor of 1001. Then question number 6, which of the following statements are true and which are false? We have to find here the answer in true and false. 0 is the smallest natural number. Is 0 is the smallest natural number? It is false, because 0 is not a natural number. 0 is a whole number, and we know that natural numbers start from 1. Second one, 0 is the smallest whole number. True, as whole numbers start from 0 only. Third one, every whole number is a natural number. Yes or not? Every whole number is a natural number. It is false, because 0 is a whole number but 0 is not a natural number. So every whole number is not a natural number. Then D, every natural number is a whole number. True, because natural numbers start from 1, and we know that the natural numbers are also an whole number. Fifth, E, 1 is the smallest whole number. False, because 0 is the smallest whole number, as whole numbers start from 0. Then F, the natural number 1 has no predecessor. It is true. Why? Because the predecessor of 1 is 0, but 0 is not a natural number. So natural number 1 has no any predecessor. Predecessor means the number which comes before or minus 1. G1, the whole number 1 has no predecessor. It is false, because 0 is the predecessor. If you minus 1, predecessor means 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, and 0 is the predecessor of 1, and 0 is also a whole number. So it is given no predecessor. It means it has a predecessor, so it will come here false. H, the whole number 0 has no predecessor. As we have seen the question before also, the predecessor of 0 is minus 1, and minus 1 is not a whole number. So this statement is true, that the whole number 0 has no any predecessor. I1, the predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single-digit number. Predecessor of a 2-digit number. It means, for example, we have taken here 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. Predecessor means 10 minus 1, the number which comes before 10. So before 10 comes 9, and 9 is a single digit number. So here it is given that the predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single digit number, but the predecessor of 10 is 9, and which is a single digit number. It means it can be possible. So answer will be false. Then J, the successor of a 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. For example, you can take any 2-digit number. Here we have taken 99. And if we find successor means the number which comes after 99. So we have to add 99 plus 1. So 99 plus 1 is 100. And we know that 100 is a 3-digit number. But here what is given? The successor of a 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. So it is wrong that it will always be 2-digit number. If you take 97 plus 1, 98. It means it is a 2-digit number, but this case is not possible always. So answer will be false. K1, 300 is a predecessor of 299. No, because the predecessor of 299 is 298. Here 300 is the successor of 299. So answer will be false. The last one, 500 is a successor of 499. 500, yes, because successor means plus 1. So 499 plus 1, 500. So 500 is the successor of 499, which is true. Then question number 7. Write two predecessors of. Here we have to find the two predecessors of 89. So we know that predecessor means the number which comes before any given number. It means minus 1. So predecessor, pre means before only. You have to understand the question by the given given here only. The pre means before, so predecessor of 89 means 89 minus 1, which is equal to 88. But here it is given two predecessor, means before 88. So again we have to minus 1 from 88. So 88 minus 1, 87. So 88 and 87 are the two predecessor of 89. Second one, 10,000. So predecessor of 10,000. It means again we have to minus 1. So 9,999. Then second predecessor it will be, we have to minus 1 from this first predecessor. So 9,998. Third one, 46,900. So this one is your homework. You have to find the two predecessor by minus 1. Then question number 8, write the successor. Successor means the number which comes after the given number, or we have to add plus 1. So 9,999. Here we have given only successor means only one successor you have to find. So successor of 9,999, it means you have to add plus 1. So answer will be 10,000. So 10,000 is the successor of 9,999. Same here, second and third one, it's your homework. Only you have to add plus 1. So that one will be the successor of the given number. I hope you all have done this type of question already in your previous classes. So it will be easy for you to find the answer. Then the last question of our exercise 2.1, question number 9. In each of the following pair of numbers, state which whole numbers is on the left of the other number on the number line. Also insert proper sign greater than or less than between them. So here pair of number is given. First one, 430 and 403. From this whole number, you have to see that which number will come on left and which will be on the right on the number line. So we have seen before that number line, the number, this, if we see that 1 and 4, so 4 is greater than 1. So the number which is greater than a given number will always be on the right side and the less will be on the left side. So we have to compare the two given numbers. So 430 and 403. Here again first we have to compare the number. Since 430 is greater than 403, hence 403 is on the left side of 430 on the number line. Why? Because we know that the number which is less than a second number will always be on the left side, because the left side number is always with a less value and the right, and we know that on the number line as we goes on right side the value of the number goes on increase. So first we have to compare the two number, and the number which is less than the given second number is always on the left side of bigger number. So we can say that as we move on right, the number becomes larger and larger, and as we move on the left, the number becomes smaller and smaller. So we know that on left side the number which has less value will come. So we will see that 403 is on the left side of 430 on the number line. Then 370 and 307. Again we will compare, since 370 is greater than 307. It means 307, the smaller number, will be on the left side of bigger number. So hence we can say that 307 is on the left side of 370 on the number line. Nothing you have to do. You have to compare the given two numbers, and the number which is smaller than second number will be on the left side of that number on the number line. So third one, 88,765 and 56,789. In this also you have to compare this two number, and you can see that 56,789 is smaller than 88,765. It means which number will on the left side? 56,789 will be on the left side of 88,765 on the number line. And question number 4. These two questions are your homework. You have to solve as per the question number first and second one we have solved now. So we'll start. We will see the next new topic, the properties of whole numbers, on the next step of our class.